Niggas don't get it if they really think they better. My pedal is too tall. Nigga, this ain't mouth game. Nigga, too raw. They don't wanna see it. They can't see your boy. This a real nigga, not no toy. No, nigga. And I don't tell no lie. I'ma tell the truth till I die. And if you niggas feel like V-I-T-O, you won't know. Till I pop the fucking trigger, leave you on that float. But let me really tell you the truth. I'ma spit it like I spit in the booth. But niggas don't wanna see it, motherfucker. Let me get real loose. Body loose, shit, just like you. And I be 6 feet under the concrete. Niggas see me and my heat too hot. And niggas can't drop like me. Young C-H-R-I-F. I'm the best and I'm doing it. Best in the crew with it, yes. And I'm chillin' up in a circle. Niggas might murk you. Niggas get hurt too quick if they talking. Niggas not walking no more. They steady running. Niggas steady gunning them down, leaving them down, crying like crowns. Red nose. So now, nigga, no, listen. I gotta start over cause I fucked up. Yes, and I'm back up in the street. I'm never riding my bike. I got my 9 motherfucker, better yet, just a pipe. It's just a popper nigga in the back of the head, Black Scully, Mag in the other, just for his brother. If she come on talking this, just for the mother. Niggas don't know, he's a crazy motherfucker. Yes, he got language like a trucker. Niggas don't know, I'm too slick. I'ma hit a nigga in his lip quick like I'm Ali. Niggas, they don't wanna test me, the best beat. Trust me, invest in this kid. Don't nobody know I'm the best with this kid. Choking with it, it's apple. Niggas don't know what a nigga redo. Choking with his own chain, nigga insane just from his brain. No, but no ID as you see. Invest in this, nigga. You will see me on the TV quick, yes. And tabloids make them blowing up big. They don't wanna see it like the blow up kid. Yes, my stomach big like the kid from that one show. Willy Wonka, Tonka toy, no plan, I'ma knock your boy. If we keep on talking, I'ma walk up and stomp your boy. Yes, listen, I'm the best, no vest, so I ain't scared, nigga. You heard?